Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options, and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c colon and simply press enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.